Effective home remedies for training water retention. Water retention can start 2 weeks before your period. However, the fluid retention peaks just as the period starts. Water retention can be measured by up to 1 to 10 or more pounds of the weight gain just before the period. The body retains water. PMS and common signs are bloating, water or fluid retention with weight gain, breast tenderness, breast lump, headache, cramp, fatigue, irritability, mood swings, and anxiety. Number 1 is nettle. Being a natural diuretic, nettle work well to prevent and reduce the water retention. Boil a cup of water mixed with 1 tablespoon of the powdered nettle root. Let it steep for about 10 minutes. Drink this tea 3 times daily until you see the improvement. Number 2 is cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is another popular home remedy to cure fluid retention because of its diuretic properties. It is also rich in minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium that helps to maintain the proper fluid balance. So drink a cup of unsweetened cranberry juice daily for relief. You can also take cranberry pills. Number 3 is aromatherapy. Aromatherapy can be useful in reducing the water retention. It stimulates the lymphatic system and encourages the fluid drainage with 20 drops each of the geranium, cypress, and juniper essential oils in a warm bath. Soak in it for at least 10 minutes and do this 3 times a week. Number 4 is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar relieves water retention by reimplantation potassium in the body to help to reduce the sodium level. Add 1 teaspoon of the apple cider vinegar to the glass of water. Drink it twice daily. Number 5 is onion. Onion have diuretic and blood cleansing benefits. It will also prevent the formation of the kidney stones. Boil a few raw onion in 4 cups of water. Add salt to the taste and then drink 2 to 3 cups of daily.